Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to create and edit components in your Webflow website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you'll be able to see all of the websites that you have already created in Webflow. You will be able to see all of the options right here that you can use, and here you can even go ahead and create a new website if you want. But guys, for today's video, I'm going to go ahead and use this website right here that I have already created called YouTube Tutorials. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and open up the website right here by clicking on it, clicking on Open Designer, and now this will open up the website and the page. So as you can see, now this has opened up the website. We can see all of the options that we can use. Let's go ahead and open up designer mode guys. By clicking right here into the upper right corner, click on editing, and after that click on request design control and click on design here. After that guys, now we can go ahead and design our website. If you look at the left side of the screen, you'll be able to see all of the options that we can use in the website designing process. And here at the right side of the screen, we can see the design options that we can use. Let's say that we select some text, we'll be able to edit it at the right side of the screen and so on. So guys, let's say that we want to make some components and then we want to edit them. All you have to do guys is just a couple of clicks. First we want to define what we want to make a component of. So I'm going to use this text right here, this heading jumbo right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and you will see the right side of the screen. Now this will open up this new menu where you will have multiple options for editing your text and so on. And at the top of the page, you will see an option that says create component. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead and click on create component, and now we want to give it a name. I'm going to just name it jumbo. Click on create, and now we have successfully created our component. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this. And now guys, next time we want to go ahead and edit the component, we're just going to go ahead and click on it, and you will see that now there will appear under this element settings option right here will appear edit component options, which you can click, and then you can go ahead and edit your components that you will be able to save for future use. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.